Well, 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 well. Oh wait, oh fuck, I fucked it up. Let me fix the encoder. I never see a diamond in the wedding ring in the movie. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We are back with a brand new backtesting live stream. And today we are going to be shitting on the markets, literally. You know me, I'm a backtesting king. I run this shit. Backtesting is easy. Yeah, bro. Like I said, we're about to see. Hopefully we can get like a 70% win rate right in front of your motherfucking eyes. All right, let's put some music on first. All right, let's get started, fuckers. All right. Basically, we are going to be doing a backtesting live stream until I feel like ending it, to be honest with you. Oh, brother, we gotta fucking get rid of this kid. Gotta get rid of this kid. Fucking pussy, bro. Fucking. Like, bro. Well, how do people actually have the balls to do that? All right, let's get started. We're doing backtesting live stream. Let's get started. So, let me show you guys how I be trading, you know what I mean, type shit. You know what, I'm up 200 bucks this week, all right? So we're chilling. So basically what I'm looking at, look at this, bullish. So I'm looking for bullish price action. So look at my dealing range from here to here. We're in a premium. So like, I wanna see price kind of come back down to this discount area here for longs. Ah, shit, we're cooked. We're cooked, we're cooked, we're cooked, we're cooked. All right, actually, let's see this dealing range. This is the new dealing range here. Brother. All right, we're cooked, hold up, we're cooked, we're cooked, we're cooked. We're cooked, we're cooked. All right, let's get started. Okay, that was just a weird trade, I'm not gonna lie. All right. So look at the current, look at this. Are we bullish or are we bearish right now? Look at the current dealing range. Current dealing range, we have a bearish fair value gap, right? So we're in a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. So I am currently looking for shorts. So then I'm going here, I'm going to the 10 a.m. power 3. I'm looking for accumulation, manipulation, distribution towards the downside, right? All right, so go here. All of this is just accumulation. I'm looking for manipulation towards the upside. So manipulation towards the highs, right? Manipulation towards the highs. We have a 15-minute fair value gap here with an order block paired up here also, which is really good if we're looking for shorts. So we tap the order block. So now what are we looking for? SMT divergence. Boom. Oh, wait, hold up. Do we have SMT divergence? No SMT divergence. Yes, yeah. Give me a second. I'm looking. If we have SMT divergence, bro, taking this shit. Boom, okay, SMT divergence. And look at that, we inversion fair value gap, broke above the high. This looks good. We're about to create a volume bounce here. Stops at this high. This trade looks amazing. All right, we have accumulation, manipulation, and then looking for potential shorts towards the downside. And plus, we'll be in a big premium here also. Let's see what happens here. Oh, we're cooking. We're fucking cooking. Tell me, Q, why are you so fucking good? Managed to trade on the 5 minute. Boom, inversion. I'm gonna go move and break even after the slow. Boom, break even. Boom. Target this potential low down here, this low hanging fruit. All right, I'll just take it out here. Fuck it. Boom. Beautiful. That's how you fucking do it. That's how you fucking do this shit. We run this now, bro. We like this. Trading is super easy, bro. Beautiful. Beautiful. Like that's how that's exactly how we do it. Ready? Next thing. Next day. Next day. Next server board. Or next. Yeah. Bro, what's your motto, dude? 10 a.m. power 3. Shit, you could. Yesterday was tough, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday was tough. All right, this is a brand new day. Ready? Are we bullish or we bearish here? We're bullish. Bullish price action. I'm looking for longs, potentially. I'm looking for longs. This is my draw on liquidity. I think you're only gonna back, bro. Chill. I'm good. Period. All right, looking for longs. So basically, what am I looking at? I want to see. This is basically just accumulation, right? So this is the 10 a.m. open. I want to see price manipulate towards the downside here into like a higher time frame PD array. Okay, so we're breaking out of this range. So we didn't manipulate anything higher time frame. Yeah, we didn't manipulate anything higher time frame wise, but we're kind of just pushing up towards the upside here. So I kind of want to see price action. Okay, so we tapped that draw on liquidity, right? Instant down close, right? So we could potentially look for shorts here. Let's see. So my longs position could be invalidated now. All right, let's see this. We have a fair value gap here. Draw liquidity has been hit. And we get a change of state of delivery, started disrespecting bullish, and we have started to see bearish order flow here. So let's see right here. We're in a 15-minute fair value. We're in a 5-minute fair value gap. We're in this disc. We're in a premium. I'm pretty sure. Not yet, actually. We're about to be in a premium. I want to see price come up to a premium area here. Okay, so we ended up just tapping the 5-minute fair value gap and dumping lower. So this is giving me high probability that shorts are in the play now. We have an order block here. Let's see what happens here. We have an order block here. What we can do is either wait for a dealing range here. So boom, dealing range there. So I'm looking for shorts, right? I'm looking for SMT and then a potential confirmation towards the downside. So boom. SMT divergence here. Okay, so we kind of run through this dealing range. All right. That's fine. It's fine. It's completely fine. So, let's see here. I would be done trading for the day. I wouldn't trade anymore. But, yeah, so bullishness, we're still in the play. Which is fine. We're just going to be fine. I'm not profitable now. Perhaps. Perhaps I am profitable. Right? I am funded now, by the way. I am funded now. I am funded now. All right, look at price action. Are we bullish or bearish? We're obviously bullish. Bullish price action here, right? So we're looking for longs at 10. Oh, this is it. Okay, this is the next step. So, are we bullish or bearish? We're bearish, right? Current dealing range, bearish, right? So I'm looking for potential shorts here. I want to see price action respect this bearish PD array. See here. Let's see. Let's see. Hold up. Oh, I guess I am still unprofitable since I haven't gotten. I am still unprofitable. No cap. All right. We have SMT. This is technically still an SMT. Accumulation, manipulation to this higher time frame PD array. This is the 10 a.m. opening. We're in a premium. Let's see what happens here. Okay, we have We have SMT here. Tap in this order block, SMT, changing state to delivery after sweeping this high. Let's go on 15-minute time chart real quick. Let's go on the 5-minute actually. 5-minute here. We're in a premium, or we tapped a premium. I want to see a resweep of this high. Okay, okay. Okay, we're playing in a premium right now. We're playing in a premium. We're the CE of this wick. So now, what should we do? I'll probably short here, to be honest. Yeah, I'll probably give shorts here a stab. SMT at the highs. Change the state of delivery. Stop to this high. Target 2R potentially. New crib. I'm in Thailand right now. I'm living in Thailand for a little bit. There we go. Hopefully this holds. Hopefully this holds. All right, I want to target -2 standard deviation. What are you trading? I'm trading the NASDAQ. We do have a fair value gap here. I want to see price start to respect this. Okay, so price is starting to respect this. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop to this high now, because if price is bearish, if price is bearish, this is what we're doing. Down, up, down, up. We're starting to create lower lows and higher highs. Let's see this. Okay, so we get stopped out of break even. All right, so we get stopped out of break even, but this still hit regardless. So what I'm starting to notice is like higher time frame wise, like bearish or higher. It's higher time frame. So it's like we were initially bearish because we had a gap, but we shifted bullish. So that's probably a reason why I need to start looking at more of the higher time frame. But yeah, bro, look at this video someone made, bro. This shit was funny as fuck. Hopefully I don't get banned, but that was funny as fuck. Wait, hold on, let me end the stream real quick. I don't want to get banned. I was not trying to get banned. I was not trying to get banned. Wow, that was close. All right, next day. I'll wait here real quick. Just give it a wait. All right, let's keep going. Are we bullish or bearish here? We're obviously bullish. Obviously bullish. So I'm looking for potential longs. So I'm looking for longs to manipulate into a higher time frame PD array. So let's go here. Let's see this way here. We're already balanced, to be honest with you. We're already balanced. So I'm kind of just waiting here, to be honest with you. If we could tap this 15-minute fair value gap, it would be nice. Yeah, so I would be done trading for the day. We pushed up nicely, no fair value gap, no nothing. So I'm pretty much done for the day. We'll go next day here. All right, let's keep going. Stay hard, chat. Stay hard. Bullish or bearish? Bullish. Looking for longs. I want to see price either manipulate. Okay, so we're tapping this 15-minute fair value gap. Tap this 5-minute fair value gap here. Tap this 5-minute fair value gap, or this 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see. Let's see. So basically, what are we looking at? We're looking for SMT divergence down here. And we have, if we can create a change of state of delivery. Where's the 10 a.m.? Oh wait, this is, all right, fuck, it's fine. All right, if we're continuing bullish here, I want to see price change in state. All right, so we're changing state. I want to see price respect this, and then target potential higher prices. Let's see how this plays out. This is the PM session here. Okay, there we go. Starting to see that push towards the upside. Let's see. Where could price manipulate towards to? Negative 2 standard deviation? Perhaps. See this play out here. If I see that this low right here is the true manipulation, then I can hold this. I'll go break even here though. And try to target negative 2. Okay, so we sweep out this high, but I'm still targeting negative 2. Let's see what happens here. All right, boom, bro. Boom, bro. Boom. Boom. Watch the 2024 mentorship? Nah. I don't need that no more. Perhaps. Do you journal trades? I do not journal my trades. Let me hop on and take a trade. Maybe we'll see how I'm feeling at the end of it. We'll see how I'm feeling. Excuse my ignorance, but how are you trading on a Saturday? This is back testing, right? This isn't the live markets. The markets are closed today, so basically what I'm doing is I am just back testing. Like I'm testing out the strategy, right? Look, it's currently nighttime in Bangkok, Thailand, and we have some music over here playing. Obviously the computer here. It's nighttime. It's about 8:30 a.m. or 8:30 p.m. And yeah, I'm kind of just chilling. My friend went to go take a sales call. So I'm kind of just chilling. Bro, I saw like 2 ladyboys. I didn't meet them. I saw 2 ladyboys, bro. And I'm like, yeah, fuck away from me. Fuck away from me. All right. We're bullish, right? So I want to see price action manipulate lower towards the downside. So look at that. This is the 10 a.m. opening. I want to see price manipulate towards a PD array here. So we have a PD array here. We have a 15-minute fair value gap. What am I looking for? I'm looking for, wait, is there news? Wait, I think the market's closed on this day, actually. Next day. I am in Bangkok. What asset are you back to say? I can't find NQ on FX replay. You have to, what do you mean? It should be there. All right, let's go ahead again. All right, so obviously look on the 4-hour time chart. We are obviously bullish, so I am looking for longs, right? So go on the 15-minute time chart. I'm looking for potential price to manipulate lower into a fair value gap or some sort of fair value gap or order block. So waiting for price action. We have a 5-minute big fair value gap here. So either wait for this 5-minute fair value gap to get tapped. Okay, so we tapped this 5-minute fair value gap. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a change in state of delivery here, right? With SMT. So we have SMT divergence out these lows. I kind of want to see a resweep. Would be nice. Okay, so we don't have any SMT just yet. I'm still waiting. Nothing yet. Watch. I'm about to fucking cook this shit. All right, I'm about to cook. All right, we have SMT, a sweep. If we can get a change and say, oh, brother. Let's keep waiting here. wow, completely inverse this 15-minute fair value gap. So now, wow, that's freaking crazy, man. That's actually crazy, bruv. All right. Let's see. Ah, shoot. Okay, so looks like shorts might be here to play. Maybe I was wrong. And guess what? We don't get an entry. That's completely fine. That is completely fine. That is completely fine. Next day. Yeah, so longs here were correct, by the way. Longs here were correct. All right, let's go again. Go on the 4-hour time chart. We're bullish, right? We're bullish on the 4-hour time chart. Drop down to the 15-minute. 10 a.m. power 3. We have a devil's mark. So I want to see a price manipulate towards the downside. But we don't have to. And the reason why that is because looking at the structure right here, we're already balanced, right? We're already balanced. So we don't need to go any lower, right? So I'm kind of waiting for a 5-minute fair value gap here. So we get a 5-minute fair value gap. And if we do come back down to this devil's mark here, then it's fine, right? So cool. Emily is watching. Impress her. All right, Emily. All right, I got this. Emily, this is how you do it. You drop me for some fucking... Oh, you drop me with... Bro, you drop me for some fucking... Oh, I don't even know, bro. You drop me for a little freaking scrawny white kid, bro. A scrawny white kid. You know how crazy that is? A scrawny white kid. Fucking bro. All right. I did buy her mom a steak, bro, because I was a nice guy. It's true, nice guys finish last, bro. Nice guys finish fucking last. Hold up. Okay, we have SMT divergence down here. SMT. Now, what am I looking for? What the fuck am I looking for? We have a sweep. Let's see. Okay, so we're obviously going shorts. Looks like shorts here are playing out here, man. But we do have a 5-minute order block down here also. Play with the higher time frame. Play with the higher time frame. No, I never did anything with Emily, bro. Because I was like, you know, like when you really love a girl, or you know how when you really like a girl, like you just tend to like not care about like the fun parts. Yeah, like, I didn't care about that, man. Like I genuinely did like her a lot. But she wasn't feeling me, bro. Neither is this fucking chart right now. All right, so we're obviously bearish. I should have shifted my bias bearish after sweeping previous daily high inside of this daily fair value gap here. I should have shifted. Yeah, next day. I feel like in real time, I would have caught it, to be honest with you. All right, let's go again. So are we bullish or bearish? We're obviously bearish. Look at the current leg. We're obviously seeing displacement. So now let's go ahead and go shorts. This hurt that I've been through. This could be where price rejects, by the way, guys. This rejection block. Q, how was my call put yesterday? The guy that said press buy, decided you didn't break it 10K with me. Bro, it's because I was scared. I was scared. If price comes back up to this rejection block here, it'd be nice. Okay, so chop. Yeah, so this fucking, wow, that was just chop, bro. We're chopped. What's good? So my bias was right. I just couldn't execute properly. And the thing is, there was no manipulation. So therefore I didn't take it. I backtest on FX replay. Whose signals are you going to buy if you don't become profitable in Thailand? Oh, that's a great question. I don't know who would I buy. I'll probably buy Johnny's Discord, honestly. Like, honestly. Alright, we're bearish. Yeah, yes, I am in Bangkok. I am in Bangkok. Who the fuck is JUP, dog? Alright, let's go here. 15-minute opening. I am looking for... Let's see, actually. I'm looking for shorts still. I'm looking for shorts to play out here. So, let's go ahead and see, play it out. I want to see price manipulate. So, we're coming up to manipulate this high. And we're coming up to some sort of higher time frame PD array. So, I'm looking for shorts, right? We're in daily volume balance. Looking for shorts. SMT divergence at the highs. Now, disrespecting bearish PD arrays. I'll go ahead and take a blind short here. Honestly, fuck it. I'll take a short here. I'll take a small short here. Small short. I'll go light size. Go light size. Go light size. Here we go. Alright. Oh, fuck. Okay, so we get stopped. Fuck. Fuck, man. That's cooked. That's cooked. That's cooked. That's cooked. That's cooked. What if we rewrite the stars? Said you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You be the one I was meant to find. What the fuck? Wow, what is this dumb So obviously we were bullish. Unfortunate, bro. I should have looked at structure. Structure was showing bullish price action, bro. Wow, that's on me. That's on me. Lucas, bro, you literally have a white boy name, bro. Don't do that, bro. The song I just sang was "Rewrite the Stars" by Zac Efron. Bullish price action, bro. I know I just lost, bro. I just lost. I get it. Bro, everyone use alpha futures in my code, bro. So I can eat. Listen to Enigma Core Trader. Is he in here? I'm not being racist. I'm just being a realist. I'm just being a realist. I love all races. Don't use this code, bro. Bro. Chill. Listen, if I get at least one code today, I can afford McDonald's tonight, okay? If I can just get one code, I can afford McDonald's tonight. And I can eat. And you guys can see me eat McDonald's, bro. Fuck it, I don't know. I need to eat, bro. What's the coding for? It's for it's for prop firms. How much are you getting from people using the code? I can't say. Cannot say. You should eat McDonald's anyway. Bro, chill, bro. Chill. It's like the cheapest thing here. Okay, we're looking for longs. All right, ready? We're looking for longs. I want to see price manipulate. All right, we're tapping this 5-minute fair value gap, man. 5-minute fair value gap, man. All right, so I'm not gonna enter just yet. I'll wait here. I'm gonna wait here. Let's see if price taps this 5-minute. Okay, so price taps this 5-minute. I'm looking for continuation here at this 5-minute fair value gap, right? Because we missed the manipulation era. So I want to see price Wow. I was looking to enter here, bro. I was looking to fucking enter at this fucking change in state, but then we just pushed up towards the upside. Oh my gosh, man. I was looking for longs. That's good though. All right, if I hit this trade, you guys have to use the code. All right, if I hit this trade. Bro, everyone's watching me for knowledge, bro. On what not to do, chat. Longs. Who the fuck is Luck Tran? Is this news? Is this news? Perhaps it is. Longs. SMT divergence. Change in state. SMT. Fair value gap. This is going to hit. It has to hit. It's only right if it hits, by the way, guys. It just has to hit. Like I told you guys, it just has to hit. If it doesn't hit, we're cooked. If it doesn't hit, we're chopped. Wait, hold up. All right, I'll move my stop to this low here. No way, bro. No freaking shot. All right, we just chopped the whole day, but bro, no way, man. Oh, that's so freaking weird, man. That's so weird. That's so weird. So freaking weird, man. I'm using FX replay to backtest. Bro, I'm not ending stream until we get to until we hit 30, bro. I'm not kidding. Yeah, no, that was a good trade, bro. Brother, thing is, 1-to-1s are like, bro, if I lose one trade, then it's like we're back to like break even. So it's like, fuck, bro. Actually, so why did I move my stop there? What about validates your thesis? So the reason why, it's a great question. Why did I move my stop there? So the reason why I moved my stops there, where the fuck is the trade at, man? Where is the trade at, bro? I just took it. Why did I move my stops there? That's a great question. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Okay, so why did I move my stops here? You're wondering, why did I move my stops here, right? So we had SMT, fair value gap. And then just looking at structure, right? We made a low, a higher high, a lower low, a higher high, broke above this high with displacement, right? So then I would have anticipated this fair value gap here to hold, and then anticipating this low to be protected. Because high, low, higher, high. And then if we're anticipating price to go higher, up, down, up, broke above the high, I'm anticipating this low to be protected, and then for us to keep continuing higher if we were bullish. And we were, but we just had other plans, I guess. One-to-ones might be the move for these markets. It could be. But that's based on feeling But that's based on feeling that your thesis technically wasn't invalidated until that next sell side was run. Perhaps. Yes, I understand. I understand it now. Yeah, maybe I'll try one-to-ones, but it's like, bro, I'd love me a high RR trade, bro. No cap. Everybody trying to be smart in this chat ball. You're all unprofitable. Not facts. All right. I'm looking for shorts here. So right now I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for manipulation, but it looks like we're just like initially just bleeding. We're initially just bleeding here. So I'm anticipating price to like go lower. So we're in here, right? We're in this fair value gap, right? We have a low, higher high, lower low. This fair value gap should be important because it broke below the low. So then I'm going on the 1 minute. I'm looking for SMT, which we do have SMT here inside of a higher time frame PD array. So perhaps we can look for this inversion fair value gap. Okay, so we just inverse this fair value gap, right? So I'll go ahead and take this long or this short target. Oh, fine, we'll do 1-to-1s, bro. Fuck it, 1-to-1. Okay, there we go. That's all we need, right? That's all we fucking need, right? Simple, simple. Keeping it simple. Like I have the foundations. I have the foundation. Better stop if the win was above the fair value gap. The thing is, it could literally just come back up and stop us out. Like, how do we know that, like, oh, we're not going to like just wick it and then come back down? So I just have my stops at a protected area. How do you find SMT on the replay? So if you look, I have it like right here. So basically I have two charts. This is the one on the left is in Q and the one on the right is ES. I just don't have it shown because the TikTok live studio is very small. So I just don't have it shown. It is 8 p.m. over here, or 9 p.m. Let's go again. Keep it simple, keep it simple. Keep it simple, chat. Keep it simple. I'm backtesting the 2023 year. 2023. All right, are we bullish or bearish? We're oh wait, this is the wrong one. I don't want to trade this one. So we're obviously bullish, right? The current dealing range is bullish. So I'm looking for longs. This is the next day, by the way. So I want to see price manipulate a higher time frame PD array. So we're kind of just chopping. So we create displacement, right? We're creating displacement. So right now I'm anticipating this right here to hold. This 5 minute fair value gap. So we tap the 5 minute fair value gap. Same thing, right? We have potential. Let's see. No SMT just yet. No SMT. I can't take this. So no SMT. Okay, so it looks like we're kind of running through this fair value gap. Kind of run through this fair value gap here. Let's see. Because it looks like we're expecting bearish PD arrays right now. So I can look to take a short here if we do get it. Okay, so no, I didn't take this because we had no SMT, but we were inside this 5 minute fair value gap, right? But higher time frame is screaming bullish. So we could, let's see here. Let's go on the 4 hour, actually 1 hour. If we can have like a shift or something, or a bullish fair value gap here. Yeah, so I just would have been done for the day anyways. But look at that. Bullish price action was correct. Yeah, bullish price action was correct. I just couldn't position myself in the right direction at the time being of the 10 a.m. candle. So, ask ChatGPT what to do. Bro, I don't have ChatGPT Premium, bro. What's up, Valentino? Use buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity? Perhaps. God, my back is cooked. All right, let's go again. Look at the 4 hour time chart. 4 hour is bullish, so we're looking for longs, okay? Looking for longs. So now, let's see if price action manipulate lower. So obviously this is the 10 a.m. candle, right? We're not really manipulating it lower. We're kind of just pushing it towards the upside. So, okay, we did tap this 5-minute fair value gap. I didn't even see that, to be honest with you. All right, so let's see what happens here. I want to see price. Let's see how. Okay, we tapped this 5-minute fair value gap, right? We tapped this 5-minute fair value gap. So now I'm looking for potential SMT, which we do not have right now. You don't know, babe. You're the coffee that I want in the morning. Oh shit, what the fuck just happened? You're the coffee that I need. All right, let's see. Okay, we have SMT. Okay. This looks good. This looks really good, actually. SMT divergence. Fair value gap. I'll go ahead and enter here. Stops at this low. At this fair value gap low. And target higher prices. Oh, wait. We're talking one-to-ones. Okay, this trade does look good. Oh. Oh, we're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. I am not profitable, bro. Fuck, we're cooked. We're cooked. Let's see if we can get another potential long position here. React to the 10 a.m. open, don't predict, it's way easier. Yeah, no, facts. Like the 10 a.m., we manipulated this. I missed the entry, to be honest with you. I missed the entry here. All right, actually, watch this, watch this, watch this. What is the cost of living in Thailand? We spent like $450 for rent, and then we spend about like $5 on food every day, to be honest with you. This is gonna hit. Oh fuck, we're targeting one-to-ones. I keep forgetting, bro. One-to-ones. This has to hit. There we go. You're the coffee that I want in the morning. You're the coffee that I need. Bro, guys, like trading has gotten super easy. Like, I thank God. All glory to God, please. All glory to God. Like, my mind is on the right path of like just becoming a profitable trader. Like I got the bread here. I got the Thailand baht. Like we're at, like guys, use the code so I can buy McDonald's, bro, please. Like, dude, you guys are not gonna believe this, but I sent my mom $200 just because you guys used my code. Like, I haven't told anybody this, or I told my friend, but I sent my mom $200 to pay for her. Like, I sent her $200, bro, because thanks to you guys, I was able to give her $200 to help her pay for rent and just like miscellaneous stuff. And if you guys don't believe me, like, all glory to God, like this, like let's see. Oh fuck, I'll show this part. Like here, $200. You guys probably can't see this. Hold up. This is my brother, by the way. But as you can tell, I tried adding money, but I literally couldn't. But I sent my mom $200 thanks to you guys. So I'm very thankful for everybody, like, fucking using the code. So how much did you make off the codes, if you don't mind me asking? I'll make a video on that soon. I'll make a video on that soon. I can't say it out loud yet. But I'll tell you this, it's more than it's less than the payout that I've received. All right, let's get started again. Like I said, hopefully trading works out so I can start sending her more money, bro. She's done so much for me. But yeah, let's go ahead. Shorts. I'm looking for shorts here. So price is, oh, what the fuck just happened? So price is tapping this 15-minute fair value gap here. And then 10 a.m. opens up here. Yes, we are backtesting. We are backtesting. Let's see. Do we have any SMT divergence? Yes, we have SMT divergence. Stops at this high. Let's see if this hits. All right, I'll go break even now just because we just ran through this low. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. You're the coffee that I want in the morning. You're the coffee that I need. But hopefully I become profitable this month and like make money, bro. Cause like making money is all the, dude, every day I wake up, all I think about is money, bro. Every day I wake up, I make money. Or every day that I wake up, all I think about is money, bro. And money is just on my mind because like, bro, I literally cannot afford to like make one mistake here. And if I do, I'm cooked. All right, you understand that? If I make one mistake, I'm cooked. I'll put some music really quick. Color chart is literally just orange. It's just orange and 52% and all black. Hold up, let me put some music really quick. Coffee in the morning. Hold up. What song? Is this the song? Why don't you use YM for SMTs? It's because YM is so like fucking, I don't even know, bro. YM is trash. What are your confirmations? Change the state of delivery or SMT fair value gap. Yo, I'm hungry. What should I get to eat? McDonald's, bro. McDonald's, bro. Listen, the McDonald's here is so cheap, bro. Do I have Grab? Listen. Bro, McDonald's is so cheap. Look, you guys are gonna be shocked on how, bro, what? You're gonna say, bro, McDonald's is so cheap, bro. You can get a Filet-O-Fish and a McChicken for like 199 baht, or like 100 baht, actually. $3, $3 fucking dollars for a Filet-O-Fish and a McChicken. I'm not even kidding. That's what I just be eating, bro. No. McDonald's is fire. Dude, I just fucking farted too. This stinks. I had Burger King last night, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Give yourself. Alright. I'm using alpha features. Alpha features. Alright, I'm looking for shorts here. Alright, so we're typing this fair value gap here. At 15-minute CE wick here. At this point, alright, shorting this. You don't know me. I'm in Bangkok. Oh, we're cooked. We're cooked, guys. I think I spoke too soon. I think I spoke too soon. I think I spoke too soon. Beautiful you are. Yeah, no. I think I'm cooked. So long's here with a move. Life is a movie. Bro, how would you guys know the long here? How would you guys would have known the long here? Because I was so shorts. Like, what made you guys? What would have made you guys look for longs? Like, I understand that we're in a 4-hour order block. If you love me, would you? Love me, would you? Say something. BPR. Okay, I got you guys. This is easy. Would you love me? Would you? Say something. Yeah, my win rate, it needs to be at least 50%. Love me, would you? Love me, would you? Hold on, give me a second. Let me check something. You're the coffee that I want in the morning. You're the coffee that I need. All right, Bullish. Order you some McDonald's, bro? I'm broke myself, man. All right, we have a 15-minute order block and a 5-minute fair value gap here. I want to see price action, respect this, and then go potentially higher towards the upside. And let's see if we have any SMT. The journey's been going great, man. I'm in Thailand now, so that's good. All right, we have SMT. And then I kind of looking for like a... Yeah, see, I already knew this wasn't going to hold, so I didn't enter just yet. Okay, so I like how we kind of just ran through this. If we can run through this fair value gap here. All right. We're kind of just consolidating here. Just lots of consolidation right now. Yeah, so this 10 a.m. candle just kind of consolidated here. All right, looking for shorts here. Shorts may play out here. But the time is off though. It's fine. Oh, we had FOMC. That's why it was so choppy, bro. We had FOMC. Do you see a lot of lady boys? I don't really go outside, to be honest with you. I'm kind of scared of them. I use the 4-hour and the 15-minute and the 5-minute. All right, bullish price action. I'm looking for price action to be bullish here. All right, we could honestly respect that, actually. Because right now we're respecting this 5-minute fair value gap here, and we do, I guess, have a consequent encroachment of this CE wick here. So right now I kind of want to see price action give us longs for confirmations here. We have SMT at the lows here. I'm looking for like a fair value gap. Okay, I'll go ahead and long here. You guys are gonna call me crazy. I don't trade Asia. Let's see. Guys, we're goated now, bro. We're fucking goated. We're goated now, bro. My bias is getting better, man. Does it come with a lady boy? That's funny as fuck. Okay, is killing your trading confidence for this next trade. Really analyze top down. I did. 4 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute. Your problem is entry, perhaps. I tried the New York session. I tried New York. NASDAQ. I tried the NASDAQ. All right, looking for longs, chat. Looking for longs. We're obviously just pushing up towards the upside, so I kind of want to see longs format here. Okay, so right now we're kind of chilling. We're in this 15-minute fair value gap. We're manipulating lower. Okay, so we come down to this here. We come up, sweep out the slow. Oh, wait, this is the wrong time. This is PM session, bro. We don't trade PM session. I'm like, what the fuck? All right, go again. Bullish. I'm using FX replay for backtesting. All right, so right now I'm looking for a 5-minute fair value gap to get tapped. All right, so we tap in this 5-minute fair value gap. We manipulated this 5-minute fair value gap here, push towards the upside. Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a change in state and delivery right here at this 5-minute fair value gap. Watch. All right, bro, okay. Long this at this impulsive candle. Stops at this low, target 1-to-1. I trade with alpha futures. Oh, we're cooked. It's fine. I kind of just gambled this trade. But to be honest, break even should have been after this high. I know that's on me. I was just playing with it, bro, to be honest with you. Like, my thing is, how can we get an earlier entry, right? Like, how do you guys get an earlier entry, right? Like, right here, how do you guys get an early entry? If you're waiting for the change in state and delivery, how do you guys get an early entry from here? But yes, we did get this inversion, which you could have entered off this inversion here and stopped at this low. But it's like, how would you guys like, first down, oh, okay, I see. So you guys would have waited for this down close candle first, and then using this as an order block, and you guys would have just entered here. I see, that's what, like, yeah, I mean, it would have worked, but do you think of me when you close your eyes? Tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I want to know it all. I spent it. No, look before that. After the close, people just enter no fair value gap. Perhaps. First down close candle, this one, right? No, first down, oh, this close, this candle here. Okay, this is technically your order block here first. Did you close them?
No, bro, Indians, like I said, battery connection, bro. You can't even get on the Zoom call, bro.
You can turn on the AC, but it's hot as fuck. It's the wrong one. Why do you care about catching the low or all you need is small? Because like I just want to be able to, because like if my ideal entry would have been here, and then stops at this fair value gap low, and then like it just would have. I mean like it would have missed my 1-to-1 barely. Where's your next call?
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Why didn't you say that? Why didn't you just stay down there?
Because it's hot.
Is the AC not on down there?
I was in the Sky Lounge.
Oh. 2 people on the bottom floor?
It's packed. But I'll check again before the call.
Perhaps.
Okay, I will. So how that's perhaps.
You're right. I just wanted to use that word. All right, let's go again. Longs. Oh wait, this is the wrong thing. Oh wait. Longs. Carisha, hello. I'm playing. So we have a change shirts, bro. I shit you not. I have 3 pairs of the same exact shirt. I have 3 pairs of the same exact shirt. All right, we're looking for shorts.
How many viewers do you get on backtests?
How many years?
Viewers.
Usually I was at 100, then I had to end stream because I said something bad. So I didn't want to get banned. You feel me, chat? All right, we have SMT instead of 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, never mind, we don't have it anymore. Let's see, bro. Okay, so right now, where are we at right now? We just completely inverse all these fair value gaps. We tap this 5-minute OB here. All right, let's see. Do we have SMT? Okay, SMT divergence, fair value gap, shorts, stop to the high, target 1-to-1, place order, watch. Oh, we're fucking cooked. I knew I should have been bullish, bro. That's the fucking thing. But we started to shift lower, bro. That's the thing, too. Then we started to shift lower. Ah, fuck me, man. I'm done. All right, let's look at the statistics. I'm about to order McDonald's and watch Transformers.
Yeah, chicken and rice in the fridge, fatty.
We have a 50% hit rate. Bro, I think it's just if I did more back testing, that 50% would probably be like...
You ate 50% win rate?
Yeah. It's a coin flip. But I think it's like, my win rate's like at least 70 or 65.
Stop the cap.
Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the live stream here. I'm gonna work on this. Bro, I didn't win or lose, bro.
What's the last trade you took?
I lost.
You gotta end up on a win.
No, bro, I'm tired.
Wow.
All right, guys, watch this. Monday we're gonna kill the markets, but it's fine. Backtesting is just in and out type shit, like the girl that I'm about to go against. All right. Other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all tomorrow. Peace.